Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GoDaddy VPS for cloud server configuration, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the GoDaddy website. Click on the products menu at the top of the page. Select VPS hosting from the drop-down list. Scroll down to find the VPS plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and click Get Started. Review the features of your selected plan. Click on the Continue button to proceed. On the next page, create a GoDaddy account if you don't have one. Fill in your personal information as required. Select a domain name if you want one, or choose I'll use my existing domain. Decide whether you want to add any additional services. Review your order details before proceeding. Enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. After confirmation, you will receive a welcome email. Log in to your GoDaddy account. Navigate to your My Products section. Find your newly purchased VPS server in the list. Click on Manage next to your VPS server. Choose Settings to begin your server configuration. Select the operating system you want to install. Configure your server resources based on your preferences. Finalize your settings and click on Launch. Wait for a few moments as your server is set up. Follow any additional prompts to complete the initial configuration. Once done, you'll have access to your cloud server. Log into your VPS using the credentials provided. Congratulations, you've successfully registered and configured your GoDaddy VPS for cloud server use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.